Yes, I am calling to get information on a civil case. How do I do a complaint or um, what's the civil division location?
So
Do you have a
you're
number
trying to
to?
get information on a civil case?
Yes,
Okay, what's the case number?
DF 9701124.
Okay. And the status of this case, it was reopened. There was a motion hearing set for March 15th at 9. Right now, nothing else is going on with the case. There are no notes from that hearing.
Yes, multiple parties don't
filing.
want me to know if my rights were terminated or not. They won't tell me. Can you tell me if my rights were terminated?
I can't read a document to you online. I can tell you that there is a motion that reopened the case that was filed.
But you can't tell me if my rights were terminated. You don't want me to know that.
It's not that I don't want you to know it. I can't disclose that information over the phone. You'd have to come in person to view.
I did, and they didn't want me to know
file.
in person. It doesn't say it. I think that there's cover up because, but anyway, so here's the problem. I've told CPS, I've told the police, and I've told the courts that I was being lied on and slandered, and all of them have covered for it. The court has covered for it, but not by denying me my right to visitation and access to my child October 26th of 2018. Then doing it again March 22nd. Not doing an investigation, and multiple parties have hung up in my face, mistreated me when I wanted information. Came in person.
Okay.
Deborah Nelson sprayed air freshener on me. So I wanted to know how to, combat. The court has no right to go through the position of not being able to decide on whether my rights were taken away or not. At first, you guys did give me that information, and I was told that it went back to my legal custodial rights. If the court is intentionally, by criminal activity, purposely trying to withhold what's going on with my child to cover for their crimes, because that doesn't make sense for you not to want me to know who the legal custodial parent is, because multiple parties can't get their life straight. I came in person.
Unfortunately, that's outside of what my role is as a deputy clerk. I'm only allowed to confirm a hearing with you, tell you whether or not a particular document is filed in the case.
Well, if you're not committing a crime, you can.
I can't help you if you talk over me.
If you're not committing a crime, you can direct me towards the right party.
Already?
First off, if I'm telling you all this,
I'm going to disconnect the call because I can't help you if you won't listen to me answer the question.
I don't know why parties try to take control of corruption. I would like to be able to express to you the answers.
Is there anything else that you need me to help you with?
I would like to not be mistreated and for you to let me finish communicating on why I called. This is very rude. I don't know why multiple parties would do this if they're not committing a crime. Can I speak?
Ma'am, do you have a specific question for me that I can answer?
Yes, I do, and I don't know why multiple parties redirect and interrupt critical evidence.
That has nothing to do with me.
If you are the court, may I have your name?
My name is Shantae.
Okay, so this is a family court, and I have just told you that people have made false statements. Don't you have a responsibility, and what's your position?
My responsibility as a clerk, again, I'll tell you what I just...
Okay, as a clerk, don't you have a responsibility?
Document. Ma'am, I'm not going to try to speak over you. I can only answer the questions.
I didn't ask what your exact responsibilities are. Don't you have a responsibility for reporting suspected child abuse? Someone's at the door. Okay. Let's see who this is.
That's not my responsibility. My role as a clerk, no, ma'am, that is not my role.
Okay, thank you.